Well, hello and welcome to another one of our little walking tours. Today's going to be a little bit different. We're starting off in Hyde Park here in central London. We're going to hire a Pedalo boat. It's £24 for an hour for two people, it's £12 each, and see where that takes us, probably around in a circle. I am here with Susan, one of my work colleagues, or friends, as they call them. There are two guys recording, the two guys watching over the oil drums, making sure no one touches them, and they're all on their boat. And I think we're going to get a little bit of wake now from this guy. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Whee! So it's currently 31 degrees, and as it is so hot we have found shade. Well, we've just come out of the shade. Just got to roll forward a little bit. We're stuck. Oh no, we've got a crash imminent. So a few weeks ago I put a video on YouTube and someone commented saying that they'd loved, I think it was Dawn from Just Out and About, commented saying that she'd love to come into London, and I said, oh, it's much nicer on a warmer day. Well, today's about 33 degrees. What's that in Fahrenheit, do you know?
A lot.
A lot, it's just high. Anyway, I take it back. London is nicer on a cool day, because the sweat, honestly, it's ridiculous. It's really pretty though here. So that hour really has kind of flown by. I don't even know if you can hear me over this water thing, so we're going to hold the camera over the water, nice and safe. It's gone really quick, so when we come off of these boats, we're literally going to go and sit underneath a tree, catch our breath, get a bit dry, and chill for a bit. And this water, I don't know how disgusting it is, but it's really nice just to put your hand in and just kind of feel the cool. So I'm probably going to end up with some kind of infection on my hand now. But to the tree we go. So we're now at the Roof Garden at John Lewis on Oxford Street, floor number 5, and it costs about £11 for 2 drinks. I've gone for a cider and Susan's gone for a... What have you gone for?
Peroni.
A beer.
It's Peroni.
Is Peroni a beer?
Yes.
Oh, she's gone for a Peroni. It came to 11... a beer. It came to £11 in total. It's really nice sitting up here actually. It's cooling down a bit now, isn't it?
Yes.
The clouds are coming out, so this is a really nice place to have a look. When you're up in a place like that, you kind of forget how busy it is down here on the street. It's now like 6:30, and we're walking to the next place, which is Aqua Spirit, and it's basically on Regent Street. Never been there before, although I have just read that it's smart casual shorts. What's a smart casual short? I'm wearing these. They're not smart, they're casual, they're very casual. So let's see if we get in. So we didn't get in, well we kind of did, didn't we? We got up to the top floor, but before we even went up to the desk, we just kind of turned around and thought, you know what, we're not going in there. It was all kind of just men in suits, wasn't it?
Yep.
Loads of men in suits, and then me in my little Primark shorts. Although on the lift on the way down there was some guy behind us, and his comment was, oh, apparently no matter how designer your designer's shoes are, they still won't let you in if they're still trainers. So yeah, I'm glad we didn't go in there in the end. So we're going to head over to kind of by Waterloo now for Queen Elizabeth Roof Garden, see what that's like. We're just kind of standing opposite Liberty, so I don't know if Susan wants to have a look in there or not. But yeah, so on our way to the next place, I guess. So we ditched the bus. It was boiling, wasn't it, on that, but it was too hot, far too hot. It's actually colder outside than it is on that bus. So we're now walking over the Thames. I don't really know what the plan is, because I don't think we're up for another roof bar because of the heat. We're both a bit dishevelled, let's just say, like hair's all falling apart. So I don't know what we're going to do over there. Should be getting an update from Dan with any recommendations. So I'm just walking over the Thames at the moment. It's actually quite pretty. So yeah, you've got the sea over there, and then the Shard, and that side you've got the London Eye and also Westminster, and you can just see Big Ben underneath all the scaffolding there. So for £8 each we are going on a Starflyer thing. I think I can take my camera on, so hopefully it'll be alright. It's tied to my wrist though, so shouldn't really be a problem. This is it. So we're next in the queue. Sunglasses have gone back on. We might lose them on the way. I hope not, because they cost a fortune. But yeah, I'm quite excited. You can probably tell by my facial expression. 15 quid each or something. Well, they all survived. This is terrifying.
I'm excited now.
Oh, you're on the camera now?
I'm excited.
Here we go. Oh, I don't know, Mum. Oh, look, there's a bar. Yay! Oh, he's doing press up. Oh, I'll have to get him on the way back. Still doing press up. He is. Look at that. Gets a little bit dizzying, I think. It's really windy. Well, that was amazing. What's happened to my hair? Yeah, yours looks even worse. That's fine.
Why I was laughing.
That was right. That was, what was that, £8?
Yeah.
£16 in total. Only up there for what, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
But it's really slow and gentle. Nice breeze up there as well, so it's really welcome. But I'd do that again, 100%. So when I'm sitting next to the London Eye watching the sunset from across the Thames, it's actually really pretty sitting here. It's been a really good day. Kind of the plan we made didn't quite work out, but I think that's partly to blame because of the heat, especially on those boats earlier today that almost killed us. It was far too hot to be on one of those. Maybe it'd been alright if it was like 23 degrees or something like that, but yeah, not 30 degrees. Apart from that, it was really good. The rooftop was nice, had a drink up there. We've just had a slush puppy sitting down here now watching the sun. And I'd recommend, if you do want to do the Starflyer, definitely go on it. There was a woman in front of us who was really scared, but I think she loved it. I mean, she didn't pass out or anything, she got off absolutely fine, so yeah, I'd recommend it. It's only £8 each as well. I don't know if we're going to go on it again. before we leave. We could do, you never know.
Just go down. The last two run.
So we've just had a chill for a few minutes on a bench. Have a slush puppy. It was really nice watching the sunset with the London Eye behind me. The sun's just fading away behind some buildings. We've decided we're going to go on the Starflyer again. Is that what it was called? Starflyer. Yeah, we're going to go on it again. I want to know how big it is. So next time when I go on it now, I'm going to ask him how tall it is to find out. But yeah, I loved it. So we're going to do it again. What's going on the vlog? It's not queef, it's a quiff. Well, that's the end of our day in London. We did go on the Starflyer again because we loved it so much the first time. So that's us done. We've just walked up some stairs and it's almost killed us. I blame the boats for that. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you later.